Hey, buddy.
Hey, you've been busy, huh? So, I've got a question for you. Do you want to have a bad time? Because if you take another step forward, you are really not gonna like what happens next.
I probably won't.
Welp. Sorry, old lady. This is why I never make promises.
Oh,
It's a beautiful day outside. Birds are singing, flowers are blooming. On days like these, kids like you should be burning in hell.
oh shit! Start the music! Oh, oh, whoa, whoa, ah, Next time on Steam Train, we're gonna see what that was all about. That was fast.